Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you where to find a high degree PSI protection. Alright, you know PSI emissions are one of the deadliest threats in Stalker 2. If you want to survive those mind-melting zones, you'll need a suit with high PSI protection. PSI fields can kill you in seconds if you are unprotected, causing hallucinations, health loss and more. A suit with high PSI resistance is essential for exploring labs, anomaly fields, or specific high-value mission areas. One of the best suits for PSI protection can be found in the Forgotten Institute, a highly irradiated and PSI-heavy location in the Western Zone. Now to get there, prepare with anti-radiation drugs, anomaly detectors, and plenty of medkits. Look for a large storage room in the lower levels. You'll need to solve a puzzle or retrieve a key card from a nearby mutant-infested area to open it. Inside, you'll find the suit. If you're not ready to brave the Institute, you can also buy a mid-tier PSI-resistant suit from faction traders. Complete missions for scientists or technicians to unlock better gear in their inventory. Some rare stashes in anomaly fields might also contain these suits, so check your PDA for clues. Now with this suit, you'll conquer the PSI threats of this zone and access valuable areas that others can't. And that is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.